Hello again, everybody. It's 1:13 and 7 seconds on January 3rd. This is now the main drawing for the Strange Tales 110 graded 3.0. Over here are the 68 filled spots. Okay, we used 4 minis to help fill this thing. Alright, there we go. Gonna roll the 3 dice. Number is 11. I'm going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will ship out tomorrow, Friday the 4th. Good luck, everybody. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final one. 11, spot 16, Tim Soups. Congratulations. Time is 1:14 and 5